Let's do a real quick refresher on habeas corpus, everybody. Habeas corpus is a mechanism that we have in order to request a judge see a particular person. All right, you would file a writ of habeas corpus. This is a petition challenging your imprisonment. So if you have been detained, you're in government custody, you can challenge that custody if you think you've been wrongfully detained. Say under the Alien Enemies Act, say it's not wartime and you've been wrongfully detained, and you say, hey, judge, I want you to take a look at this law and make sure that it is okay or sufficient in order to detain me. There you have it. It's a civil action against the government. We're not looking for guilt or not guilty. What we're looking for is the lawfulness of the actual custody of your person. Now, there's a very interesting case out of 2008 here, and there's a citation. And in that case, it set out even enemy combatants have this right, this privilege to file a petition of habeas corpus to be seen by a judge if they are in custody, even if you are in custody in Guantanamo. Now, here are a couple of our federal statutes that set out different pieces of habeas. Habeas corpus, of course, is also listed in the U.S. Constitution. It is something that can be suspended under very specific circumstances for a limited period of time. Habeas corpus originally comes from the Magna Carta back again in 1215 under the same section as due process. So habeas corpus and due process go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. You need both in order to have proper liberty and to go through the legal system correctly. So habeas corpus is what you bring to challenge being put into custody by the government. So a judge will take a look at it, determine whether or not that custody is appropriate, and make a ruling.